and very foolish, we must learn a lesson. This man
more. See money. Now someone they take come like
Yeah.
Who are you and how do you enter my room? What's my money?
I am your money. Now you are going to enjoy two things. You enjoy money and you enjoy me.
Are you playing? What
But
type of playing is this?
You are not allowed to have any other woman except me.
it is smoky book.
Spirit no verse. Sebi, you gonna give me money, Abi?
Of course, I am your money.
It is taking
I
there.
am money.
No, that's my challenge. I know carry woman. As long as you gonna give me money.
Of course.
I love you already, sir.
Money lives in me.
Abi, I like spiritual wife. I dey like spiritual wife. Money is not the problem, man. Once you agree, we'll go down like this now. I'll give you 50,000.
You are a bad guy.
50,000.
I'm telling you. This have been like it before. Where they go my shop now? Where they come buy plantain?
Now that time you no get money.
I don't get money like this. I don't need Yahoo.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Which we try to.
No,
We
I
must
just the
learn
best
the
motives.
lesson.
Yes, we have more pints. We do
This man!
Body they got me.
Fish wash and cup of tea, oh. Fish wash and cup of tea, oh.
Fire down. Shut down.
Then Tiagasa.
The work is done.
You just did.
More. I just dey go, non stop. I'm a bulldozer.
Bibo, you dozer it.
More.
Hey.
Yeah, plantain no fit handle me. Wait, how money for? I tell I go give you. Shit.
We just pray. Photo.
That's it. That's for you.
David,
Nigeria is not my
you
country.
can do am.
Man of good.
She might come tomorrow.
My dear brother, I don't know what you mean by terror.
Die.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Abi?
Yes.
No.
David. You don't get money plenty.
That's what they do. Before they look for you, we go sell plantain.
Yes, so everything.
Voila. Yeah. Come up for me, oh.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. I told you I was your physical and your spiritual wife. I was your money wife.
So, you see me?
I saw everything. I am a spirit. Now, you will see what the greed of men will cost you. You have to pay for all the money I provided you.
Where David Junior? Where DJ? I can't perform.
Say na eyes dey pay me and they waiting me.
Photo. Nigeria is not my country.